Hi students, Assalamualaikum. How are you all? I hope you will be fine and enjoying a good health as well. Okay students, welcome back to the online series in Future Executive School. Today we will discuss about our English reader. Okay student, first of all pick up your bag. Hurry up, pick up your bag and take out your English reader. Yes. Okay, have you done? Super. Okay, student, open your English book reader, page number 5. Open your English reader, page number 5. Have you done? Super. Let's start our today's activity. The activity is that circle the things that begin with the letter A. Things that begin with the letter A. Okay, student. As you know very well, we have previously discussed about the letter A. Let's do some clips for previous lecture. Ant, an arrow, apple, and this one was your H word. Okay, move towards the activity. Activity में ये कहा गया है कि आप लोगों ने उन ऑब्जेक्ट्स को सर्कल करना है जो लेटर ए से स्टार्ट होते हैं. अब वो ऑब्जेक्ट्स जो लेटर ए से स्टार्ट नहीं होते हैं उनको आपने सर्कल नहीं करना. Okay student, let's start. Pick up your pencil. Okay. Orange. What is this? This is orange. It starts from A. Think about it. Think. Orange? No, it's not start with A. So, we wouldn't circle it. It's not start from letter A. Okay, move towards the next picture, the next object. What is it? It is actually the book. We also say that it's a reader. So tell me, is it start from letter A? Think about it. Is it start from letter A? No. Should we circle this? No. If you circle it, then it will be wrong. So don't circle this. Okay, look at this. What it is? It is a flower. We also see that it's a rose. Is it start from letter A? Think about it. Is it start from letter A? No. So we wouldn't circle it. Okay? Okay, what is this? What is this? This is egg. Is it start from letter A? No. Should we circle it? No. We wouldn't circle it. Okay. Move towards the next letter. What it is? It is a net. It is a net. Is it start from letter A? Think about it. Is it start from letter A? No. Should we circle this? Should we circle this? No. We wouldn't circle it. Okay. What it is? It is an arrow. Wow. Should we circle it? Is it start from letter A? Yes. It starts from letter A. We will circle this letter. circle this letter. Sorry, we will circle this object. Okay, move towards the next object. What it is? It is a watch. It is a watch. Is it start from letter F? Think about it. Is it start from letter F? No. No. So, we wouldn't circle it. Okay. Move towards the next object. What it is? Students, tell me what it is. Yes, it's a kite. It's a kite. Okay, tell me, is it start from letter A? Students, tell me, is it start from letter A? No, yes, you're right. Is it start? It's not start from letter A. Okay, move towards the next object. What it is? Look at this. Tell me, students, what it is. Yes, you are right. It's an apple. It's an apple. Is it start from letter A? Yes. As you know very well, we have previously learned that an apple. An apple. Very good. So, it starts from letter A. So, we will circle it. Wow. Great job. Move towards the next. Or it's pencil. Pencil. Is it start from letter A? No.
Chalo.
Okay, students. Look at this row. Is there anything which starts from letter A? Think about it. Yes, great. There isn't anything which starts from letter A. Okay, student, I hope students, as you know very well, we have previously learned the rhyme of A, but today we will revise it again. No, yet repeat the rhyme of A. Okay, student, repeat after me the rhyme of A. Make a circle. Stop. Make a C. Go up a bit. Then come down. Let it sit. Again. Make a C. Go up a bit. Then come down. Let it sit. I hope, students, you will understand my words. See you in the next lecture. Bye-bye.